Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today we are at Sheraton Manila Hotel at Newport City. So this is the counter area where we are to check in and to check out. So we are done with the check-in and we're just waiting for the call if the room is available. So let me tour you around. Okay, there's the lobby for Sheraton. So they have some Philippine products at sale, and the store Pinas Muna. Okay. So what wine is this? Savannah? Very expensive, huh? 6,000. Okay. We also have some pastry, bakery products. Okay. And this is the elevator leading to the rooms, as well as to the bridge connecting Sheraton Manila Hotel to Newport City, as well as Resort World. Wow, grandiose! Okay. So, this where we can relax. This lounge. There's the bar. The bar. Lounge. Hello, saan yung S, ano?
S Kitchen is
Dito rin mo? Yung buffet, ano siya?
Opo, 12 p.m. to start.
Okay.
Would you like to look
Na later. Okay, pwede? Okay. So, okay, thank you. So, this where we're going to take the buffet later. Okay. Let's just check what they have here. Okay, they have the pastries, the kanin, I think halo-halo. Wow, halo-halo. Oh, they even have turon. Sapin-sapin, biko, palitaw, kutsinta. Okay, there's a cookie. Oh, so bread. Oh, taste, smelly. Huh? Smell good. Okay, so it seems that the fruits, they have honeydew, pineapple, melon, yellow winter melon, as well as strawberry pancha cotta. Look at the donuts. Oh, you'll love it. Okay. So looking around, so they have a salad here. Hello. And the Japanese, they have sashimi, tuna and salmon sashimi. And then they have the selection of maki. Yeah. And the chef seems to be a Japanese. Arigato gozaimasu. Okay. And the cheese, as well as the salami. Oh wow. So that way it costs that much. So they have the seafoods here, sustainable seafood station. Wow. Oh, pampano. You see. Nice one. Oh. Nice. I like the crabs. And the shrimps, mussels. And there's also crab there. Yeah, nice one. Lasagna, and we have here the compit. Oh, they even have a lechon. Okay, and this is the pasta station. And then Malaysian, Korean, and other spicy products. And here's the tempura section. Yeah. Asian station, so noodles. Yeah. Noodles, and this is where they prepare it. Hello, chef. Nice one. Okay. So roti. Oh, there's how they cook it. Okay. And the drink section, they even have some wine here. Hello. Juice. They have wine, juice, coffee, coffee station. What do they have for coffee? Coffee station. Okay. Yeah. We'll enjoy the buffet. It's still early, so not much having their buffet. So anyway, some are already there. Okay. Okay, enjoy. Okay. Thank you, Iha. By the way, how much is the buffet?
For today po, 3,500.
3,000
Yes.
per person.
Opo, would you like...
Kasama yung drinks doon?
Yes po, kasama na po. Kasama po ang beers and also wine.
Ah, okay. No, we're having a complimentary
Voucher.
from Newport.
Ayun po,
So,
sir.
what is this one?
Ayan po yung mga ano namin, sir. Rates namin and also if you want to have a reservation.
Okay. See. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll get in touch. Thank you. Yes, this time we're going to Newport Resort World. So instead of taking the lift, we're taking the stairs because I really admire the stairs, how it was built. So this is the stairs leading to the second floor, which will lead us to the bridge connecting Sheraton, Hilton, and the Newport Resort World. So this is just the mezzanine, so we have to take the lift going to the second floor and leading to the mall. Okay, this one will take us one up.
Second floor.
Okay, thank you. Going to the mall? Okay. Straight ahead. Thank you. Okay, we're here. We're here. And we are to go to Newport. To the mall. So this one will lead us to Hilton, where we used to stay. But, this familiar one. You see? Nice one. Nice one, huh? Yeah, familiar one. So now we're to proceed to the mall. So let's see what's there for us at the mall. Okay, so we're here once again. These the places where Doc Ming, Sir Jake, and the rest used to roam around. And this is the mall. So later in the afternoon, we are going to watch this one, Parokya ni Edgar Musical. It will be at 3 p.m. this afternoon. Okay. Excuse me. Si Jimmy. Jimmy. Adam. Excuse me. Si Jimmy.
Jimmy po. Ito po yung nakaregla.
Okay. Thank you. Yan, manonood ng ang Parokya ni Edgar Musical. Parokya ni Edgar Musical. Road A2526 ba? Sa harapan. Sa harapan. Eh, dyan lang pala magpapapicture. Pwede na pala picturean ko kayo. Pipila. Merienda muna po. Merienda. Very good. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap ba? Masarap? Ito? Asyo ka ha? Okay.
Okay po. Okay po, play na po.
Sarap ba? Masarap? Ito? Asyo ka ha? Well, this is our room for today till tomorrow. Our room for tonight, Sheraton Manila Hotel here at Newport City. This is room 907. Okay, so our view is the airport. There's the airport, and there's traffic down, both in the Skyway and the service road. Yeah. Look at the traffic, it's building up, maybe because of the rain. So there's Philippine Airlines taking off. Okay, that's Terminal 3 over there. This is our writing table. Yeah. Then we have here a sofa, and that will be our bed. Then there's TV, and there's where we're going to place our things. And just after the door, here is the we have a bathroom, above, and then the toilet is over here. Yeah, actually, this is the shower room. Left the bathtub. Oh, what happened here? Okay. Okay. You see, this is our Balisin Cup, Balisin Island Club. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're going to, for sure, we're going to enjoy our stay here. Okay? Bye-bye, bye. Thank you. Goodbye, goodbye. Thank you.
From Catalan.
Nakakaon na? Yan. Balasing.
Pinadala yung ano niyo. Smile.
Sunday, kaya puno ang mga kainan. May event sa Periphery, sa Barcino, dito sa Maruca, Puro Style. At dito, eto yung dalawa. Ayun. Tapos na kayo? Very good, very good. Daming tao, puno. Okay, after eating, we're going back to the room and we will be passing through this bridge. This bridge is the Sheraton Hilton Grand Wing Bridge, and let's see the traffic outside. Okay, at least this time is manageable. It's moving. Okay. So there's Marriott, where Iris has an event the other week. Okay. And this, the other side, is going to Hilton and Holiday Inn. And they are. Yeah. Oh, hello. How's your dinner? Good? Oh, malakas ang ulan kanina. Malakas, traffic nga eh. Siguro maluwag-luwag na ngayon. Okay. Dito. This side. Ayan na, papasok na dyan. Pasok na dyan. Yeah, may welcome now. Welcome, Sheraton. Yeah, elevator tayo. Elevator. Sa elevator tayo, ground. Up tayo. 9 tayo. Ayun, kung ano mauna. Oh, sige, ingat kayo. Ano na lang. Ito is going up. Oh, down. Ito down. Ito up. Oh, sige, baba. Sige. Okay, this is our room for tonight. And there's Madam. use the key card. Okay, 907. Okay. Okay. A great day. So thank you for a very great